Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale foreclosure sales with auction.com step by step clearly. Begin by researching the foreclosure market in your area. Identify local trends and statistics related to foreclosure sales. Register for an account on auction.com. Fill out the necessary personal and financial information. Ensure your profile is complete and updated. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and navigation. Browse the available foreclosure listings on auction.com. Use filters to narrow down properties based on location, price, and property type. Review the property details closely, including photos and disclosures. Conduct your own due diligence on each property. Gather information about the neighborhood and market value. Set a budget for your investment, considering potential renovation costs. Attend virtual or in-person property inspections offered on auction.com. Make a list of your top property choices. Monitor the auction calendar for upcoming sales. Create a bidding strategy for your selected properties. Set a maximum bid amount to avoid overspending. Participate in the auction when the bidding starts. Stay focused and avoid emotional decisions during the bidding process. If you win the auction, review the purchase agreement carefully. Follow up with auction.com for further instructions and next steps. Secure financing if necessary, based on your winning bid. Complete all required paperwork promptly to finalize the sale. Begin planning for property management or renovation after the purchase. Keep an eye on market trends for future investment opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.